Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. In the article describe, a group of explorers travel to a secret riverside, location rumored to be the home of a massive creature called the Sea Eater, which is said to attack boats and anything on shore. They document sightings with a drone, report a boat being swallowed, and watch the creature surface and move through the water, seemingly attracted to noise and vibrations from boats and propellers. When a boat is attacked and their drone loses range, they remain determined to capture footage, using a micro camera on a fishing rod to observe the Sea Eater underwater and attempting to signal and track it from the shore. After several tense attempts to bait and outmaneuver the creature with noise and a drone, they devise a plan to lure it with vibrations from a device and coax it away, ultimately claiming they have defeated or driven the Sea Eater back toward deeper water. They conclude by encouraging viewers to like and subscribe to their channel. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.